The selection of an appropriate niche stands as a fundamental factor in achieving success on YouTube, as it plays a pivotal role in attracting a targeted audience. This strategic approach has the potential to significantly enhance engagement levels and viewer retention. Furthermore, the integration of artificial intelligence tools into the video creation process effectively streamlines content production. Modern technologies facilitate the generation of entire videos based on a single prompt, thereby conserving valuable time and effort for creators. In addition to this, a thorough understanding and application of algorithmic strategies can substantially increase the visibility of videos on YouTube. Such tactics are vital for maximizing reach and drawing more viewers to one's channel. Moreover, selecting a niche such as animals can markedly improve visibility and engagement on YouTube. Established channels within this category often showcase high viewer interest and a significant potential for viral content. To facilitate the process of naming your channel, deploying tools like TubeMagic can be particularly beneficial. This artificial intelligence tool generates catchy names tailored to your specific niche, thus saving both time and effort. Additionally, creating compelling logos and channel art can be accomplished swiftly through the use of AI image generators. This technological advancement allows creators to redirect their focus towards content production rather than being bogged down by design intricacies. Choosing the most effective keywords based on viewer demand can significantly enhance the reach of your videos. Employing tools like TubeMagic aids in identifying impactful keywords that yield better results. In order to maintain consistent content creation, generating a substantive number of video ideas is essential. This strategic methodology fosters a reliable system for ongoing viewer engagement and contributes to overall channel success. By analyzing successful channels, one can uncover patterns that are replicable. By making improvements on existing popular content, creators significantly increase their potential for achieving similar levels of success. The implementation of AI tools can bolster both creativity and productivity by automating tasks such as scriptwriting and video generation. This automation liberates time for creators to engage in other creative endeavors, resulting in a more efficient content creation process. Investigating the strategies of successful content creators, such as MrBeast, unveils effective methods to maximize views through interlinked content. By adopting analogous techniques, aspiring creators can enhance their audience reach. Lastly, linking YouTube Shorts to long-form videos establishes a strategic pathway for viewers, which enhances user engagement while driving increased traffic to main content. This methodology has the potential to significantly boost overall channel performance.